Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. Today I am going to show you how to create Next.js project. So first you need to install a text editor. So I have installed Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already, then please to follow this video to install Visual Studio Code. Once you have that, next thing that you need to do is you need to install NodeJS. So just simply type NodeJS download and download latest version of NodeJS. Always download the LTS edition. Do not download the current edition because that's going to only show you error. Always download the latest LTS edition, that is long-term support. So I'll proceed with this latest version at the time of making of this video. I'll scroll down and I'm going to click on this Windows install MSI and it's going to start downloading our Node.js. Just simply click on that installer. Here just simply click on next, accept the license agreement, click on next, next, again next, again next, ready to be installed, click on install and our installation for Node.js is rightly begun. It going to ask you for administrative privileges, click on yes and it is rightly installed. So just simply click on finish. Once your Node.js is installed, you can just simply fire up your Visual Studio Code by just simply double click on this shortcut. Here is our Visual Studio Code. Let's create a project folder. So click on open folder and on our desktop I'm going to create a folder name as Next.js-app. Remember to put your project name or your folder name in small letters. So if you are providing any capital letters in your project name, it's going to be only failed. So always give your folder name or your project name in small letters. And after that, click on select project. You can click on this I trust the authors. Our project is rightly open. Next, let's go to terminal and invoke a new terminal. And here you need to run one script. To get that script, just simply go to your browser again, open a new tab and just simply type Next.js, hit enter. So just simply go to that official site of Next.js. Once when you are here, you will get this prompt. So you have to copy this prompt, minimize your browser and go to your terminal again and right click and paste that. And after that, just simply give a space and give a dot because we want to install right at this location and hit enter. You want to proceed with installing latest version of Next.js, type Y, hit enter. Do you like to use the recommended default? Yes, we want, hit enter and it's going to start installing our Next.js and going to also create our app. So you need to have active internet connection during this installation. And there you go. You can see success. So our project is rightly created. So here you can see we have this app folder. So when you expand this, you will get this page.tsx file. And if you go to this package.json file, you will get all the configurations. So here you can see how to run this project. So that script is also written over here. You can generate a button for this script as well. So for that you need to click on this triple dot and you need to enable these npm scripts. And once you expand this, you will get these buttons available over here for each of this configuration like dev, build, start and lint. Dev, build, start and lint, a corresponding button. So to run, just simply click on this run button for dev. So next dev, it's going to immediately start executing this task. You can see and you can see it is done now. You can open this project. You need to click on this localhost and to follow this link. And on our browser, it's going to show our Next.js app. So here is our app. So you can start modifying it on page.tsx. So I recommend to start with deleting all the stuff that are there within main tag. So only keep the main tag basically and just save it and you are going to see everything is wiped out. You can also remove the image from here, click on save and everything is wiped out and you can start working on your Next.js app. So like you can put something on your h1 tag, just save and that is what it's going to render on our browser as well. Right. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to install SADCN and how you can build an entire project in Next.js and SADCN. So please do subscribe our channel and press that join button to join our community for more such videos. And if you're interested on Python, so for that I have this playlist. You can follow these videos. All are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. And if you're interested on WordPress, so for that also I have this video playlist. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.